tire to climb up this. What?
Tell me where I want to aim.
Right here.
I want to come up this rock?
You got no choice. No?
Okay.
Can you sign a waiver, please?
Now hold on, I want to make sure I got enough tire on this rock.
You got enough. No, that's the bumper. No. Alright, stop. Back up a little.
My bumper hanging?
Yeah, just the bumper. Yeah, the bumper. See, I don't have these. Stop right there. Turn a little more.
I thought it was a badass buggy move, but now I don't feel so hot. It looked good when you did it.
They're just right on your parade mark.
That's what it's all about. What do we got?
That was your U-joint.
Pop it?
Yep. U-joint. Yeah. Yeah, there's a cliff right there down on the ground.
Yeah, quit littering on the trail. Back down.
You got a spare shaft? I got a spare shaft.
You might need to. We might need to move you over a little bit. It's gonna crackle and pop, but it's not gonna hurt anything. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's just gonna clearance itself. Okay. Rob, we're shooting for your passenger tire in the ditch here, and you're the one on the rock.
Then you moved out on the fucking shot this shit.
Yeah, we're almost through. It's just got a couple more.
The hard part is down.
Yeah.
I think Junior's trying to talk to you.
Should I unlock my front or leave it locked? Leave it locked. That way at least you have one pull.
Is that it? One wheel, let's lock that over the door.
Yeah, you're in two-wheel drive now. One rear and one front.
That's about it.
Roll that rock out of the way.
Gente, можешь подвинуть камень? Камень, можешь подвинуть? Да, туда, да.
Yeah. You can't. Oh, pussy.
Got it.
Alright, все, забудь.
It's working better now than it did before.
I need no